How to send large video on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send large video on Messenger. Well, if you want to send a video on Messenger, you can directly open up the chat and you can send the video, right? But if you try to send a large video file, a longer video, then you'll have to send it in parts because Messenger doesn't allow you to send larger video files. So if you want to send it, then what you can do is, instead of sending it in parts by cropping it to different parts, you can simply go ahead and install Google Drive on your phone. Then you want to open up Google Drive. Here what you want to do is you want to tap on new option there and then tap on upload, and then upload the particular video file that you wish to send here. Once you have uploaded it, you can see here, you'll get the file right here on my drive. Then you want to tap on the three dots beside it, then tap on copy link, and once you copy link, what you can do is you can go ahead and head into the particular chat and then paste in the link and send it. Once you do so, the other user will be able to open up the link and download the video file directly and access it. So this is how you can send large video on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.